Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sophia.
Hello, Sophia. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Hi, David. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
I am very happy. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes, it's a very good topic, very important.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so David, are you ready?
I am ready. So, what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is Tell Me About Yourself.
Ah, a very common question. People ask this all the time.
They do. In a new class, at a new job, when you meet new people.
It's true, and sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
Yes, so today we will talk about it. We will make it easy and fun.
That sounds perfect. So who starts, you or me?
How about you start? David, tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is David, D-A-V-I-D.
Nice to meet you, David. My name is Sophia.
Nice to meet you too, Sophia. So, next question, where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Canada, wow. I am from the United States.
The United States? Very cool. Do you live in a big city?
I live in a small town. I like it. It's quiet. What about you, Sophia?
I live in a big city. It's very busy and very noisy, but I love it.
That's great. A small town and a big city. Very different.
Yes. And do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. It's a small house, and it has a garden.
A garden. I love gardens. I live in an apartment.
Is it a big apartment?
No, it's a small apartment, but it's very nice. I like it.
Good. So we have name, where you are from, and where you live. What's next?
How old are you, David?
I am 28 years old.
And I am 25 years old.
A very good age.
Thank you. Okay, now for a big question. What do you do, David?
I am a teacher, an English teacher. I love my job.
That's wonderful. I am a student.
A student? What do you study?
I study art. I love to draw and paint.
Wow, art. That is so cool.
Yes, I love it. It's very fun and creative.
An art student and an English teacher. A perfect team for a podcast.
Love it. Let's talk about family.
Okay, do you have any brothers or sisters, Sophia?
Yes, I have one brother. His name is Tom. He is older. He is 29.
I have one sister. Her name is Sarah. She is younger than me, and she studies music.
Wow, a music student. My family is creative too. My mother is a teacher, and my father is a chef.
Amazing. My mother is a writer, and my father is a doctor.
Very nice family. Now, pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. He is brown and very friendly.
I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She is black and white and very sleepy.
A dog person and a cat person. Very different.
Yes. Now, favorite things. My favorite food is pasta.
Mine is pizza, vegetable pizza with tomatoes, peppers, and onions.
I like pepperoni pizza too.
My favorite color is blue.
Mine is green.
My favorite animal is a dog.
Mine is a cat.
What are your hobbies, Sophia?
Painting and reading adventure stories.
I love listening to old rock music and playing soccer with friends.
Do you like movies?
Yes, comedy movies.
I love comedy and animated movies.
Great. Now dislikes. I don't like olives.
I don't like spicy food or waking up early.
I don't like waiting in long lines.
So, this is a good way to describe yourself. Likes and dislikes show personality.
Exactly. For example, hello, my name is David. I am a teacher. I like dogs and pizza, but I don't like olives.
I'm getting ready now.
All right. Are you going out today?
Yes, I have some work.
What kind of work?
Just some personal work.
Okay. Are you going alone?
Yes, I'll go alone.
Did you eat breakfast?
Not yet.
You should eat something.
I will eat later.
All right, but don't skip it.
I won't.
What are you wearing today?
Just something simple.
That's fine.
What time will you come back?
Probably in the evening.
Okay. Will you be late?
No, I don't think so.
All right. Drive safely.
Sure, I will. I'm heading out now.
Okay, take care.
Don't worry.
Call me when you're free.
I will call you.
All right. See you later.
See you. I'm back.
Welcome back. How was your day?
It was fine, a bit tiring.
Did everything go well?
Yes, everything went well.
That's good to hear. Are you tired now?
Yes, a little.